Alright, we're at the construction site. A huge storm is rolling through here. The new construction crew, they were actually sleeping here with their family in tents. But look at the rain. It's just been, it's blowing sideways here. And underneath this metal roof, the rain it's just deafening. There's the coconut tree that I took a picture of the other day, posted on Facebook. It's getting pummeled, and if you walk underneath the tree, you might actually get pummeled if a coconut falls on your head. So I have invited the crew to come back to our house. We actually have one room that's free that they can stay in, because if this rain lasts all night like this is not going to be good. They're going to be fish. They won't be human anymore. My God. I am happy that my vehicle is four-wheel drive. So I've got it currently in four-wheel drive. I'm going to absolutely destroy our driveway because mud is just caked everywhere. Oh my God. Well, I hope this cleans the solar panels and the roof. You spent a lot of time digging out these. Oh, you spent a lot of time redigging out these trenches, and now with the water, they're going back out. Or rather, erosion. I mean, here you can see. I mean, look at that. That would be I guess the wall footings. Not now. The little swimming pool, great for the doggies since they like to swim now. The kids are enjoying it. That's good. Yeah, you really got to stand in a certain area. Bag of concrete, got a tear in it. The water's dripping into it. You know, if we had walls, which is all this material, if we had walls, this would be a very different situation for everybody. Wow. They have a small child with them, and I think they're probably giving some milk or something like that. So that's why they haven't moved to the car. The inside of the car is going to be absolutely hideous with all the mud that we're going to pick up from the ground here. Small sacrifice, I guess. I haven't heard much in the way of thunder and lightning, or seen lightning for that matter. One kid's got a little broom trying to protect the tent from getting soaked. And we will see the neighbor's property. Again, it doesn't, the water doesn't really drain properly through it. Whatever material or soil that they selected. So we're going to see how long the water is going to sit on top of there. Last time it sat there for a week. So this could be a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks. Alright, well, the wind is pretty strong. And I see it lifting up on some portions of the roof that were not screwed down. Hopefully it stays intact. There is like a, I guess on the apex of, oh my god! On the apex of the roof, there's another metal thing that they've got up there to basically close the gap right up here. And I don't know how well they actually screwed that down. So it's highly possible. Oh my god. It's highly possible that the wind is just going to rip that right off. And then we'll have a hole right in the middle. Now the water is hitting my arms, on my shirt, my pants, pretty much head to toe. I wouldn't say soaked all the way through and through, but with the wind, it's starting to get cold, and I've actually got goosebumps on my arm. I see some toys and things that have either been thrown over the wall here, or the wind just blew it over. There's that metal. The wind is trying its best to lift that sucker off. I definitely would not want to be in the path of this thing. It's like a giant razor blade if it's got some speed behind it. Okay, so the noise that I heard is this one piece of metal that's flapping up and down. I can't even open my eyes. There's water just like somebody spraying a hose in my face. So, I don't know if you can see it, but right over there is that end of that apex thing, covering the two, I guess, portions of the, oh my god. Oh my god. The funny thing is, sometimes the weather app will actually say that there's no rain on my phone, and yet it'll say there's rain on my wife's phone. And sometimes it'll say, oh, at 3 o'clock, 40% chance of rain, and it's going to be 0.1, I guess, inches of rain. So, you know, very, very small, insignificant. You know, last for half an hour. This is definitely not 40%. This is like 2,000%. So, oh. They're constantly trying to sweep over there. Sweep so the water doesn't get inside the tent. I think they need to give it up. Put something weighted down inside the tent so it doesn't blow away. And come to our house. We have an extra room. So that's the recommendation. Everybody's kind of having fun. Oh my god, it's getting worse. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna close my eyes again. Oh my god.
Thanks for watching! And if you enjoyed this video, please click one of the video links below or click the playlist.